And this is chicken satay, one of the famous delicacies in Bali. Salak fruit or snake fruit, one of the famous fruits here in Bali. And guys, here outside they also have a pet bat that you can feed with fruits. Buffet lunch with a majestic view of Mount Agung. Welcome to Lereng Agong Restaurant. So yan, buffet siya. And this is the view with Mount Agung and rice terraces. And guys, this is what it looks like inside. Ayan. So here costs 150,000 Indonesian rupiah per person. And the drinks are not included. Only coffee and tea are free. The drinks is extra, but the buffet coffee and tea is free.
How much is the buffet?
The drink, kailangan may bayad. What is the free drink?
Free drink, can we start? Yes.
Okay.
You can start. Okay.
I'll just take tea. Tapos ito yung view namin, Mount Agung. Tapos yan, dito sa labas ng kainan, may mga, pwede ka rin mag-picture taking like this nest, meron din swing. Tapos ang view natin yung bulkan. Alright, so let's go check the food. So yan yung food. Ah, dito yung pinggan sa gitna. Yan, meron silang vegetable soup, corn soup, mixed salad, white rice, fried rice, fried noodle, gado-gado, spring roll, omelette, chips, fried chicken. What's that? Pork satay and chicken
satay.
Mixed satay. And pork with soya. Right. Pork soya. Salak and banana. Fried banana, black rice, and mixed fruit. And there's Balinese coffee and hot tea. So yun yung mga menu ng buffet nila. And this is goreng, so it means fried. So let's get some. Wow, sarap. So kuha tayo ng pork and chicken satay. This This is the pork and chicken satay.
Pengen akong chicken.
Chicken satay. Ah, ilan?
Tatlo.
Then, tas lalagay natin itong wow. Alright, let's eat.
Wala na, dalay mo na lang.
And this is chicken satay, one of the famous delicacies in Bali.
Manghang. The sauce, the peanut sauce.
Alright, let's eat. Buffet lunch with the majestic view of Mount Agung. Try natin tong satay. With peanut sauce. Medyo manghang. Mie goreng.
Mukhang maanghang yung mie goreng.
Mie goreng.
Spicy na.
Means fried noodle.
Nada noodle.
Good.
Spicy.
Hindi manghang. Mie goreng. Nasi goreng. Fried rice. Nasi goreng.
Ayam goreng. Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Ayam goreng. Pork satay. With peanut sauce. Sarap. Medyo spicy lang.
Pagka ayam goreng, matanda na. Ayam goreng.
Sarap. Sarap ng satay. Malilit na barbecue. Maliit na barbecue. Peanut butter.
Manghang. Mahal.
Sauce. Sarap.
Manghang.
Medyo spicy lang.
You.
Spring roll.
Awan.
Sarap. Spring roll. Masarap yung spring roll. Have you add sauce?
Matamis yung sauce.
Parang barbecue sauce. Parang barbecue sauce. Ano tayong drinks? Bukod yung drink sa buffet. Ayam. Goreng. Chicken. Fried chicken. Ayam goreng. Try naman tayo ng fruits. Isang drinks ka is pineapple. Naubos ko na. Papaya. Harap. Ang tamis.
Masarap yung kapal.
Tamis pa ba nila? Watermelon. Sarap din. Pineapple.
Hindi juicy.
Hindi juicy. Hindi siya juicy. Parang dried. Pineapple. Mixed fruit, guys. Salak. Try natin salak. Salak. Salak or snake fruit. Ayan, parang kaliskis ng snake yung ano niya. Ayan. Diba? Patay marami. So yun yung tatry natin yung ano, salak or snake fruit. So, ayan.
Hindi pa season. Pag season daw, mas big.
Salak fruit or snake fruit.
Ilaw pa nga.
One of the famous fruits here in Bali.
Oh, pero hinog na ba to?
Ayan. Ganun, gaganon pagbukas niya. So, let's open. Elise, ikaw ako bukas. So, yung bubuksan natin yung snake fruit. Yung ganun. Ganun pala pagbukas niya. Parang kaliskis ng ahas. Yan. So, try. Tikman natin. Anong lasa? Yan. Ganyan yung loob niya. Try natin. Anong lasa ng salak. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap siya. Tapos may buto siya, ayan. Ito yung buto niya. Malaki.
7 minutes pala yun.
So here guys, they also have Bali Swing and other picture taking spots with a majestic view of Mount Agung. Yeah! And guys, here outside they also have a pet bat that you can feed with fruits.
Nalingon na. Chut! 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 Todo nalingon, nalingon.
Hi, hi na.
Ay!
Naiinitan.
Uy, uy,
masakit na.
bumalik ka, pumayad ka na.
Hindi, kumuha po ng sala. Kumuha din ako.
Oo.
Right, let's feed the bat.
Nakita niya kasi.
Baka sunggaban.
No? Parang ka lang, ano ang kanya no?
Parang panike. Tapos na pala.
Lapit, lapit, lapit.
Picture mo ba ako, mami?
Hindi, yun na.
Ay! Nakakamigo.
Ikaw, tita, baby. Nakakapicturean mo, mami, ganyan. Ikaw, bilis, picture ka. Atirahan mo ako ng kaunti para.
Let's wait, go.
¿Viste la fruta?
Susod ka, hoy, hindi ka kita.
¿Te ves? Estoy comiendo la sandía.
Kabilis, Ako naman. Ay, layo.
Ayan. Oh, no.
Lapit ka ba? Hindi ka kita.
Oh, no. Hindi niya maabot. Ang cute eh.
And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Soksuma. Next, let's go to one of the famous waterfalls in Bali, the Goa Raja Waterfall.